Make a great choice today with the 2020 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: clock, electronic stability control, outside temperature gauge, brake assist, body color door handles, power rear window sunshade, low tire pressure warning. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.